So that's gonna be my meal for the day. Very interesting. But I want to buy more drinks because I am more thirsty than exhausted for now. My exhaustion has been vanished somehow. Let's try desserts for once. So everybody, welcome to the terminal hall of this airport, which in another 15 minutes the gate will be announced for my flight, which is from Istanbul to Mashhad. So yeah, too many Persians. 12B or Bravo. So God knows, I think it's going to be at the end of this entire terminal. But I love this interior design of this. I almost call this a hotel, but yeah. The past day I've been sitting on the floor due to exhaustion, but yeah, I'm still satisfied by this entire city. When did Indigo have a 777? I thought they were a A320 fleet only. Damn, that looks nice, if it's even a lease. Let's see. Wait, is this a 737? 737? Unless if I'm on the wrong aircraft. Okay, it's the same product tested 100 years ago for the business class, which I personally don't like. It's really out of date. It's really out of date for here. Economy is also out of date. 17. The 737-900 is an interesting aircraft regarding sound effects, because this thing that is going high in pitch is definitely not air wind noise. It feels like something's going off. It's not the time to recline. Oh my god. They don't even know what's health and safety and regulations still. Like seriously, we're not even above 10k-ish. So you can see that my tray barely fits. I kind of forcefully did it, but it went under my belly. But it fits, at least for the infotainment system. It's a pretty old one, but the only thing that I use is the maps and the ETA performances and status. But for a brand new aircraft like the 737-900 ER, which this was, I was really expecting the more newer screens. I don't really mind the seat because it's good for a 3 or 4 hour flight. It's not too bad or these kind of stuff. But damn, the cabin crew was not friendly with the camera, like which I was just like, why is Turkish Airlines one asking for flights to Iran to be masked, not the other flights from Edinburgh, which was weird for me. And yeah, I knew later why it was happening, because like, I understand the entire flight was full, but the entire flight crew were trying their best to serve. But in the from the Manchester flight, there was only maximum of one single flight attendant. She basically did it less than half of the 2 hours of the 4-hour flights. I was shocked, really. It looks like chicken tikka masala from Glasgow. It was really nice and creamy, complex. Way better than the tomato pasta they usually serve Middle Eastern airlines or Turkish themselves. This is like upper class kind of food for economy standards. And the dessert wasn't a fruit cake. I don't like when airlines do it. It was more a creamier kind of yogurt kind of stuff, which I do appreciate. It's much better. It's like liquid at least. Like if they do want to serve cake, something like a milk cake, like I know Turkey has it, has something similar but more like a syrup version. But yeah, I like it. They're implementing new meals within the airline. That's good. Really good. More variation. So yeah. Who doesn't like a good old Turkish Airlines olives? It's something hits differently to me. Like it's probably one of the best ones in the skies or out in the land. I know Turkey actually makes their own stuff. That's another plus sign. And yeah, that's the thing that I'm missing now, which I'm recording this in. The video was from 2023, now is 2024, and I'm flying tomorrow with the same airline, same route. And I will be more doing it in a short form video for English users, but for Persians, Iranians, maybe Afghanis if they know Farsi, I don't know how it works, and the other neighboring countries. And yeah, the more long form, I have another channel for that. If you'd like to subscribe. And if you, it'd be great if you let know other friends or family if you know any persons out there. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the small segment of the video, and yeah, you can see that I don't have a lot of space like to film the entirety of the cabin. I tried to do a Toulouse review, but the cabin crew was like basically looking at me like I'm about to get interesting. So yeah, I didn't bother. Don't want to face any drama in a flight for filming something that is basically interesting for an aviation enthusiast, but it could be kind of random for others, but you never know what's happening in their day being. So don't know how many legs they've not legs, I mean routes they've done. Let me like not talk in aviation terminology because it does make sense for me, but it might not for you. I feel that was the landing gear because of the intensive, I wouldn't say stall, because of the drag it had. It did not feel like flaps kind of drag, so that's interesting.
Cabin crew, be seated for landing.
This is so roughly 200 feet. Actually less, maybe 100. If this was the 320, we could have said retard 1,000 times. And finally, welcome to Mashhad International Airport. And this flight was very mixed to me. The flight, as in turbulence and these kinds of stuff, was perfectly normal. Like I was expecting some turbulence near Mashhad because of the Alborz mountains, which is like maybe over 20,000 feet. But it was a good ride. Like the thing was a bit bumpy because of the service of the airport, but completely fine. Yeah, this was a good experience. I paid 650 for both the flights. See ya. Bye.